today we are going to be making a popular Indo-Chinese dish, the honey chili potatoes. That's amazing. So, let's get started. For honey chili potatoes, we are going to obviously need a potato. We are going to take 250 grams of potatoes and we are going to cut them into a french fry shape. For drying the boiled potatoes, we are going to need 1/4 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of rice flour, salt as per taste and black pepper as per taste. We are going to take 4 tablespoons of ketchup, finely sliced onion about 1 cup, maida half cup, then corn flour about 2 teaspoons. Then we are also going to take rice flour half cup. For garnishing, we are going to need white sesame seeds about 2 tablespoons and spring onions, oil for frying, honey, 2 tablespoons of garlic and chili finely chopped. So we are going to take a pot now to boil the potatoes. We are going to add 3/4 water. We are going to add salt now. Now the water has started boiling and we are going to add our potatoes in. So add them slowly. We are going to cook them until they are al dente or 3/4 cooked. And then we are going to take them out. Now after that, we'll achieve the al dente phase in around 3 to 4 minutes. So keep stirring your potatoes. Now the potatoes have reached an al dente stage. So I'm going to pour them into a strainer. Now we are going to pat the potatoes with a tissue to remove the excess water because we want the potatoes to be extremely dry. Now we are going to put our al dente potatoes in a pot. Okay, and now we are going to add the maida, 1/4 cup of maida, rice flour. We are adding this so it absorbs water. Then we are going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And now we are going to mix it. We are going to toss them so they are evenly coated. Okay. Now for the wet batter, we are going to need half cup of maida and half cup of rice flour. And then we are going to add water. And now we are going to whisk it. Add salt, pepper, and now we are going to mix it well. Please mix it until all the lumps are dissolved, or else your potatoes will not have a great texture. Now we are going to turn the stove on and put our oil in. Quick little note, the stove has to be on high heat and we are going to wait for the oil to heat up. We are going to add coated potatoes in the batter. You're gonna coat them evenly. You're going to do this for all the potatoes. Put them evenly and put them in the oil. Now that the frying part is done, I'm going to make the sauce. Now for the sauce, we are going to need some oil. I'm going to add our garlic and chili mixture. Okay. And I'm going to stir fry it a bit. Next, we are going to add our onions and our capsicums, and we're going to stir fry it. We have now cooked our onions until they're translucent or slight pinkish. We are going to add our ketchup. Then we are going to add our Szechuan sauce. A few drops of our soy sauce. Okay, and now we're gonna mix it. The smell is amazing. Meanwhile, we have to make this cornflour slurry. So I'm just gonna add in some water and we're gonna mix it. Now we are adding our cornflour slurry in the mixture. So we are putting cornflour slurry to thicken up our sauce. Then we are going to put some salt. Then pepper. Then we are going to add some water. And now we are just going to stir it. Now look at the consistency. See, the oil has now started oozing out of the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to add our honey. And I'm going to mix it. Okay. And after that, I'm going to add our potatoes, which have been sitting here, cooling down. And we're going to mix them. Okay. We're going to coat them with the sauce. What a wonderful aroma. Okay, so now that these all are coated together and nice, okay, we're gonna keep stirring them. Now that the honey chili potatoes are almost done, you have to check the seasoning. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of chili flakes. Okay, and stir it. Now they're done.
good.
So please leave a like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Okay, bye.